Yep.
Start.
Hey everyone, got some dialogue products here with us, the Shauna Interactive Sound Book. And I have 7-year-old Idanai and 10-year-old Anesu. And we're doing some review to kind of get some thoughts, some feedback from the guys that were part of the project because they did the song that was on there, and they also happen to be our models. This is Anesu seated there, and that's Idanai and Sekuru and Kundai. So we're really excited. Hope you guys are enjoying the book. If you don't have a copy yet, just follow the link that's below to go to the website and get you one. But we'll also be having some short videos to kind of showcase what's in the book. The book has a lot of vocabulary, 12 pages, and also has a lot of information about Africa, about Zimbabwe, and a couple of stories in there. So in addition to having some additional vocabulary, we want you guys to make sure you take the opportunity to use the conversation starters. You know, if you're out there trying to figure out where do I start telling my kids about Zimbabwe, about Africa, about the different languages, whether it's Kiswahili, Isindebele, or Shona, these books are pretty good for you to have some reasonable conversation starters and just enjoy exploring whether it's an old country or a new country to you. So today I think we'll just go to the first page that has the map of Zimbabwe, and it also has a reference as where Zimbabwe actually lies on the map of Africa. Did you guys know that Africa has many countries in it?
Yes.
Are you sure? Or you thought it was one big country called Africa?
When I was a little bit younger, I thought it was just one country.
One big country, and now it's a little different.
Yes.
I know that in y'all's schoolwork, every now and then you get different countries that are on the focus for the curriculum you guys use. Do you remember any of the countries that you've looked at before?
I think in my reading book.
New Zealand.
New Zealand. How about countries in Africa, though?
In my reading book right now, we have this thing called. It's where. Well, I don't know what it's called, but it's where there's this. We turn to a page and it talks about different places inside of Africa. So it said Victoria Falls was one of the.
Really?
7,
This Victoria Falls?
Yeah, one of the 7 features of the world.
Natural wonders of the world. Yep.
Like wonders of the world, and it also talked about how cheetahs are in Africa.
Yeah.
And stuff, and about Egypt, how it's in Africa, and the deserted places in Egypt.
Cool. And I think I saw Zambia was featured once, and even Nigeria.
On one of my math papers at school, it said there's a flag of Zambia at the side of the paper.
Okay. Well, guess what? Since you mentioned flags, I am going to jump to the page that has flags cool page. We have a page that talks about the Zimbabwean flag, but since he mentioned the flag of Zambia, I want to see if he remembers. So we'll just jump to the page that has African flags. 54 flags, 54 nations. So can you spot the Zambian flag? 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, he spotted it because they're in alphabetical order. So there you have it. Conversation starter. You can talk about African flags, talk about the countries, talk about how many countries you've been to, or how many countries you know about. And I will close this video with the countries I've actually been to in Africa. I've been to Zimbabwe, born and raised. I've been to Zambia. I went to a Pathfinder Camporee, which is like a youth ministry. Went out there in 1995. I've been to South Africa. I've been to Botswana. I've been to Mozambique unofficially because we were hiking in Chimanimani and I jumped over the beacons that show the markers of the borders. So there you have it, Dialect. How many countries?
54.
54 countries in Africa. Africa is not one big country. So remember, subscribe to our channel, more videos, and join us on the journey exploring many different things about Africa. There are many solutions out there. We're not the only ones promoting learning about Africa, learning about African languages, but we sure do hope that when you find out more resources, you share them with us on our Facebook page, Instagram page, and like our YouTube. Have a good one.
And don't forget to click the link down under this video and like our videos and give us, let's see if we can get to 1,000.
1,000.
1,000
Subscriptions, subscribers.
Subscribers.
You lost the word there.
Before Christmas.
She can't talk. Before Christmas.
Yes.
1,000 before Christmas. Wow.
Let's see if we can do it.
You think we can do it?
Yeah. If you can make 1,000 videos first.
1,000 videos.
1,000.
1,000 videos. Oh wow, that's pretty aggressive. All right, 1,000 subscribers before Christmas 2021.
Yeah.
Oh boy. All right. Bye.
Bye.